Hello, my dear customer. How are you? My name is Samuel from Boyue Cement Carbide Limited. Today, I just want to introduce one of our customer order, the Endmill, and also the drill, and also the reamers. All of these tools is the carbide material. Now, I'd like to introduce one by one. Please have a look at this. This is the bronze Endmill. This is the longer. The diameter is 150. Please have a look at it. This customer mainly ordered the Endmill for the HRC 55. This is the sample for sure. Also, this customer ordered the HRC 65. This is the big one. The diameter is 20. Please have a look. This is the nano blue. In front of us, this batch is the drill, the carbide drill. I would like to show you. Please have a look at this. This is all the carbide drill from the diameter 3 millimeter to the 25. Please have a look. This is the smaller size, and this is the big size for the drills. This is the reamer. The Carbide Reamer, this customer ordered from the D8, D10, D12, the Carbide Reamers. So if you're also looking for the Carbide tools, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.